Welcome to another video from Gradelink websites. In this tutorial, we're going to walk through exactly what you need to do to view entries on a form on your website. First step is going to be to log into the backend. So head over to your login page, enter your username and password, and you should arrive at the website dashboard. From here, we're going to first click on Forms, and depending on which form you would like to access the entries for, you'll hover over that particular form and click on Entries. This particular form doesn't have any entries yet, but you'll be able to see them if there were. Now, if we were to go to a form that does have some entries, such as this online application, and here is what the online application would look like to a parent. The form is here, and you'll be able to view the entries by going to hover over online application, again under forms, click on entries, and here we have an entry. If you want to change the preview of the entry that you want, for example, we don't need recapture score in this case. Perhaps we would rather see the entry date and perhaps the email address of the applicant. Then we can do it like this. Simply click on the settings icon here and drag over any items from the inactive columns over to active columns and click Save. Now we can see first, last name, email address, student gender, and again, this is for the preview. If you wish to see the entire entry from the application, click on View. Again, that's under Forms, Entries, hover over the entry and click View, and you'll be able to see the entire submission. If you want to resend this notification, you can easily check the box for a notification. In this case, a school admin notification is the default. The applicant is the one that goes to the actual applicant. And you can click resend, and it'll send to the email address that's on file in the actual notification under settings notifications. Or if you wish to override that with another email address, you can do so and click resend. So that's all there is to it. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to Gradelink website support.